Hello, friends. Welcome again to our channel Coding Bot. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. We post one video daily about coding. Now, let's get into today's video. Today we're going to solve the program for day 4. Class and instance. In Hackerrank's 30 days of coding. In this program the task is to. The first line contains an integer, t the number of test cases, and the t subsequent lines each contain an integer denoting the age of a person instance. In case 0, initial age is -1. Because our code must z2 and print the age is not valid message, followed by the young message. 3 years pass and so we print a young message again. Whereas, in test case 1, initial age is 10. Because our code should print that the person is young. 3 years pass and so we print that the person is now a teenager. In test case 2, initial age is 16. Because our code should print that the person is a teenager. 3 years pass and so we print that the person is old. Test case 3, initial age is 18. Because our code should print that the person is old. 3 years pass and the person is still old so we print the old. This is the program we need to code in order to pass the day 4 challenge. This program is already checked and there is no error in this program. I've provided the program in the description box below. This program is coded in 3 parts as per the conditions given in the Hackerrank's website. Now, let us run the program and see is it working fine. By passing the inputs in the Hackerrank's website, we've obtained the output as we've expected. Now let's proceed to save the file and upload it in the Hackerrank website under day 4 challenge. If you have any doubts regarding this code or this program, feel free to comment below. I will try to solve your doubts. Now, let's run the code and see is there any error. There is no error, so we can submit the code and complete the day 4 challenge. If you found this video, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.